It's kind of funny. Most people are still using AI like a fancy Google search, right? Just asking it questions here and there. But the people who are going to absolutely dominate the next decade, they're thinking completely differently. They're putting AI to work as autonomous agents that complete entire projects for them, a lot of times while they're sleeping. So how do you make that shift? Well, it all starts with one core idea. And this right here, this is the whole key. It's the big idea. The best part is you don't need a huge team or some massive budget. You just have to stop being the one who does all the work and start being the one who directs the AI agents that do the work for you. It's a really fundamental shift, and trust me, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Okay, so what does that actually look like in practice? Well, a doer uses AI to complete a single task, like, say, write this one email for me. A director, on the other hand, puts AI agents to work on an entire project, like run my full email marketing campaign. You see the difference? The doer is just a user. The director is a business owner, and that's the difference we're going to dig into today. So let's get right into our first business model. This one solves a problem that pretty much every single service business has, creating an automated front desk that never misses a call and, get this, never takes a day off. Okay, this first one, the AI appointment setter, is just brilliant. You build and deploy these AI agents that can handle all of a company's inbound calls. And I'm talking a truly human-level conversation here. These agents can qualify leads, they can handle objections in real time, and then book qualified meetings right into the sales team's calendar. I mean, think about it. No more missed calls, zero slow follow-ups, ever. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Look at the value proposition here. You've got an income potential of up to $1,000 a day. And the edge is why this is such an easy sell. You're walking up to a business owner and telling them you can replace the entire cost of a full-time employee with a tool that costs a fraction of their salary and actually performs better. For them, it is a total no-brainer. All right, let's keep building on this. Our next two business models, they tackle two of the biggest problems for any brand that's online: how to get attention, and then how to turn that attention into actual revenue. So first up, you've got AI content repurposing. Imagine this. You take a client's long podcast or maybe a webinar, and you use AI to just find the gold nuggets and automatically slice them up into dozens of viral short-form clips. Then on the other side of the coin, you've got the AI sales chatbot. Here, you build bots that live inside a company's social media DMs and their text messages, turning all those casual conversations into actual sales. And this right here is exactly why these services are in crazy high demand. The content service? Look, every business out there is desperate for a constant stream of short-form video. You solve that. And the sales chatbot? To a business owner, it literally feels like you're turning their social media following into free money by converting all these conversations they never had time for. And you can see the income potential definitely reflects that high value. Okay, hold on, because now we're moving into the real top-tier stuff. This is where you go from just being a service provider to becoming a really high-value strategic partner for the people at the top. Seriously, these last two are absolute game changers. The AI data cleanup agencies solves a massive headache. Most companies have their data just scattered everywhere. It's a mess. You come in, you clean it all up, and then you put an AI layer right on top of it so the owner can ask critical questions and get instant answers. The second top-tier service, it solves a totally different but just as valuable problem: the AI inbox and calendar manager. This is where you build a custom AI executive assistant to handle a CEO's entire schedule. And just look at the leap in income potential here. It's huge. With the data agency, you're not just organizing files, you're directly helping a CEO make decisions that could save or make their company millions of dollars. And with the AI assistant, you are giving an entrepreneur the most valuable gift of all. You are literally buying back their time. The value is just immense, and yeah, the price tag reflects that. Let's just pause on that number for a second. $5,000 a day. How is that even possible? Well, it's because you're not just managing an inbox. You're automating up to 95% of a CEO's entire administrative workload. For a high performer, that isn't just a service. You're giving them back their focus, their energy, maybe even their sanity. It is a complete and total game changer for them. Okay, so you've seen the opportunities, and they're incredible, right? But the big question is, how do you actually start one of these businesses without a big team, without raising a bunch of money? Well, here is the exact four-step blueprint. This is what I call the AI startup ladder, and it's your simple path to getting started. Step 1, validate. Don't build anything yet. Just pick a niche, like maybe law firms or med spas, and just confirm they actually want to buy this. Step 2. Pre-sell. Get paid up front with a simple document and a payment link. Step 3, and listen up because this is crucial. You deliver the service manually at first. This is so you can guarantee your client gets a big win within 48 hours. Then finally, once you've proven the model works, step 4, build. That's when you productize and automate the whole thing so you can scale.
So here's the bottom line. We are at the very, very beginning of an AI gold rush that people are saying is going to create more millionaires than the entire history of the internet. Think about that for a second. And the key isn't being the most technical person in the room. The key is having that director mindset and being willing to take action right now.
So that's the blueprint. It proves you can build any one of these high-income businesses right now with 0 employees. So really, the only question left is, which one are you going to start first?